Do you believe that a perfectly clear, deep blue ocean is actually a massive, silent graveyard? It is called the Strangelove Ocean, a terrifying reality straight from Earth's ancient, violent history. No fish, no life, just a deadly silence that stretched on for millions of agonizing years. Forget about sea monsters. The real enemy in this dark story is absolute nothingness. Scientists found the chilling evidence buried deep within the oldest, darkest layers of ancient rock. The story begins the exact day the world ended, 66 million years ago. A single rock from space changed everything in a terrifying, heart-stopping split second. But the real destruction didn't happen on land. It happened deep underwater, in the dark. The sky turned black. No sunlight meant absolutely no photosynthesis for the starving ocean below. The smallest creatures, phytoplankton, died almost instantly, vanishing from the food chain forever. They were the foundation of life. When they vanished, the entire tower came crashing down. Imagine a global supermarket suddenly completely empty of food, forever closing its doors to everyone. Fish starved, predators starved. The entire ocean became a stagnant, watery tomb for everything. 90% of all marine life was wiped out in a shockingly short period of time. But the scariest part wasn't the death itself. It was exactly what happened right after. Scientists call this terrifying state the complete collapse of the biological pump. Normally, life pushes carbon down, but now the machine was broken, silent, and dead. The surface and the deep sea became chemically identical, a flat, lifeless line of death. That is the definition of a Strangelove Ocean, a deadly, uniform, stagnant body of water. The name comes from the movie Dr. Strangelove, representing total, irreversible nuclear destruction. Because the ocean back then looked exactly like a post-nuclear wasteland, devoid of soul. No one ate, no one was eaten, the food chain was completely severed and destroyed. Those coral reefs you see today, they completely vanished during that dark, hopeless era. The ocean was dominated by the only things left, ancient bacteria and thick, toxic slime. How long do you think this lasted? 100 years? 1,000? You are wrong. The Strangelove Ocean imprisoned the Earth for over 1 million dark, silent, lonely years. Imagine looking out at the sea and knowing there is absolutely nothing beneath the waves. The water was crystal clear, deep blue, beautiful, but completely toxic and utterly empty. The ecosystem tried to recover, but it failed and collapsed again and again. It was a zombie world undead, functioning on basic chemistry but not truly alive. Fossils from this era are strange. They are tiny, weak, and incredibly fragile structures. This is called the Lilliput effect, when life shrinks down just to barely survive. Only the smallest, simplest organisms could endure this chemical hell on Earth. But why should you care about something that happened 66 million years ago today? Because history has a very scary habit. It often likes to repeat itself. Look at our oceans today. Do you see the terrifying similarities starting to appear? We don't need a massive asteroid to create a brand new Strangelove Ocean. Humans are doing it right now through rapid ocean acidification and climate change. Coral is bleaching white. That is the very first sign of the hollow death. Dead zones are expanding faster than ever before across the entire global map. If the biological pump breaks again, we will not be able to fix it. Fish will vanish. The food source for billions of people will simply evaporate. The ocean will return to that deep blue, crystal clear, and deadly state. We are risking waking up a monster that has slept for millions of years. The Strangelove event is not a theory. It is Earth's criminal record. It proves that the ocean is incredibly fragile, not immortal as we once thought. When the system collapses, it doesn't fall slowly. It crashes down incredibly fast. And recovery time is not measured in years, but in geological eras. Are we the architects of this destruction, or are we the guardians? The choice lies in our actions right now, within this very decade. Next time you see the blue sea, ask yourself, is it alive or dying? Do not let the beauty fool you. Death often wears a very beautiful mask. The Strangelove Ocean is waiting. Do not let it come back. If you enjoy these dark ocean mysteries, hit that subscribe button right now. I have many more terrifying stories waiting down in this deep abyss. Share this video if you want to help save our dying oceans. Knowledge is the only weapon we have to fight against the darkness. Thank you for diving into these deep, dark waters with me today. See you in the next video about the dark secrets of Earth.